Alright, so we came in Salon. We had to remove this center mirror. As you can see, it's buttoned up to this, and it's buttoned up to this. We have Mr. Wilfredo. He's gonna demonstrate how to remove the glass without affecting the other ones. That's why it's being replaced. Okay, I'm gonna back up. Always cover. Okay. Easy. Easy, lemon squeezy. Always protection. You got the blanket, you got the gloves, and he's got the Daddy Yankee glasses. Easy. Oh, the crowbar. That's what he did, so it doesn't run down. Blanket. Thank you. Nice. Okay. All right, so he took it out, so I gotta help him. All right, the mirror's in. He's cutting the shims so it doesn't stick out. It's nice and flush, as you can see, up and down. Okay. The shims.